Hi, the program I took at Bryce Grant College was the Human and Social Service. Look at my associate's degree. The number one, demonstrate an understanding of patient, client, customer service needs within the continuum of human and social service environment. This outcome was met in the learning community when I wrote a paper about a similar differences between reading tasks. It reflects on my experience of taking the ACT assessment. The skills help me to connect with people, organizations, and systems that we are eager and work across boundaries to pursue of sharing a goal. Number two, discriminate effort and legal communication techniques, especially in the human and social service environment. This outcome was met in HUS 125 Family Theory Services with a case of overview based on listening skills and treatment plan. It defines, explores, and simulations of evidence and family-based therapeutic practice. The skill in the workplace will help examine the fundamental principle of the family dynamics and the influence of cultural factors. Number three, adapt excessive communication skills to interact effectively with supervising peers and the public in various human and social settings. This outcome was met in HUS 130 Cultural, Complex, and Health Services when I did an outreach service plan. I identified potential conflicts between human and social providers and patient cultural beliefs and value. I created a plan of care for the client, current situation, and concern. These skills examine the cultural, gentle, religious, social dynamic, and other factors of diversity as they affect relationships, helping strategies, and the affection of human service positions. Number four, analyze and apply complementary knowledge and set skills to form diverse administrative responsibilities in human and social services. This outcome was met in H125 Family Service, where I did a memo summarizing concerns that led to decline to service assignments. I wrote a memo which you will recommend um, community resources and services for clients, position, and their case study. This skill will help me in the workplace from our fundamental principle of family dynamics and the influence of cultural factors. Number five, support the assessment of clients' concern and availability, resources to match support services to improve quality life of client, customers, patients. This outcome was met in H. HUS 220, Theory Assessment and Intervention of Addictions. It is addressed diagnosed treatments, common treatments, and recommendations. This treatment process included assessments, diagnosis, goal setting, treatments, intervention, and medication, assess treatments that level of care. The skills will build upon the concepts that learning related to mental illness and substance use disorders. Number six, utilize appropriate current technology and resources to locate, evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in vision, written, and or format. This outcome was met in SOSC 102. principle of sociological. This will explain the different types of sociological shapes of our lives. These skills was introduction to the sociological principle through exploring the relationship between the individual and attitudes of their behaviors. Number seven, number seven, and number eight. Number seven was transfer knowledge and skills and behaviors acquired through format and informal learning and a life experience to the new situation. And then also number eight, the outcome was explore employ strategies for reflection of learning and practice in order to adjust learning processes for continued improvements. These both was met in ethics, ethics and ethics and health and human service. It addressed the it addressed the introduction of concepts and basic issues in the human care ethics. These skills will be we did when I did an informal and persuasive research paper based on real life words theory that support position with ethic resource. Number nine. Number nine is follow establishment methods of inquiry and mathematical reasoning to form conclusions and make decisions. This outcome was met in college mathematics. It had to do a paperwork for a bank loan. The skills will help develop quantity literacy skills for personal and professional lives. Number 10, participate in social, academic, and professional communities for individual growth and to function as a citizen of a multicultural world. This course was met in research writing for the workplace. We write a paper on reflection. Writing how my own writing process was used to empower, improve process over time. This skill will help me in the workplace, will introduce me to the writing process and the formulation of appropriate workplace communication and career writing skills. This is what I wrote about when I learned about my program outcomes. I'm Sabrina Bailey, and thank you for taking time to listen to this.